Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine, DM to the DF, who are in separation, who are in not in contact with each other, no contact, okay, who are in twin flame journey. I am ready for a new beginning, okay. So so these are the messages from your divine masculines, okay. Please take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective divine masculine energies and the messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take according to your situation. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here, okay. So let's see what your divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines who are not in contact with each other. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to tell me anything, please let me know in the comment section, okay. So let's start your reading and let's see what does divine masculine wants to tell you, what does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines. Again, I am ready for a new beginning. They are ready for the new beginnings basically, okay. That's what they want to say. So let's see what they want to say and let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the divine masculine messages and the energies to the divine feminines who are not in contact with each other, which are important to deliver. Give me the messages which I need to deliver, which are important to deliver to all who are watching this video. Okay. What is the message? What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say? Let me get all messages first, then I'm going to tell you. Any other message from divine masculines? Any other message? Any other message? They want to connect with you in 5D here, divine feminines. Please connect me in 5D. Okay, please connect me in 5D. That's what they want to say, and they want to tell you that I'm not the same person that you remember. Okay, I am not the same person you remember. Please connect me in 5D. They want to connect with you in 5D. They love it because you respect my family. That's what they want to tell you. You respect my family. You accept and respect my limitations here. And they want to tell you that you are always ready to help me. You know me better than anyone else, okay. So they want to tell you that there is no one else who can understand them basically better than you, divine feminines, okay. And you are always ready to help them. But they want to say you one more thing, that I need more time to figure things out, because here they are saying that I am feeling the consequences of my action. I need more time to figure things out. I know I screwed things up and honestly have no idea how to fix things. So they know that they have screwed things up, but they don't know how to fix things. That's why they need more time to figure things out, okay. So have patience, divine feminines, and they are already feeling the consequences of their action. Okay, and they are telling you that thank you for being you. You light up my world. I understand our connection now. So now they understand the connection, and they are wishing that I wish I could be there for you. So they are saying that now I understand our connection, and thank you so much, divine feminine, for being you. You light up my world here. And they want to tell you one more thing, that sometimes I wonder if saying I am sorry is enough. Okay, so that's what they want to tell you here. Let me see more messages from the divine masculines. What does divine masculines wants to say? Please give me the messages. What does divine masculines wants to say for divine feminines? Lot of messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having family issues play a big part in my love life. 619. And 619 is also a angel number which tells that there is a third party situation. Third party situation can be anything. Okay, this can be work, this can be any other addiction, this can be any other person or family, anything which is other than you both two is the third party situation. So that's what they want to tell you, that family issue plays a big part in my love life here. Okay, and they are finding, I am finding my way back to you. Okay, there is no one else like you who has touched my soul. Okay, you know me better than anyone else. There is no one else who has touched me on their soul level, basically. Okay, there is no one else here who has touched my soul. Will you let me in if I approach you? Okay, divine feminines, they want to ask you that will you let me in if they approach you? I find it hard to trust myself. Okay, so they're finding it hard to trust themselves. Then they want to say you, it does not feel safe for me to open up. So they did not feel safe to open up in front of you. Then they are saying I have been watching you from a distance. So divine feminines, they are watching you from a distance. If you think that your divine masculine is not watching you, not keeping an eye on you, so you are wrong. They are watching you from distance. They are keeping an eye on you, what my divine feminine is doing. Okay, I am sorry, I can't forgive myself for how things went wrong. Okay, sometimes I wonder if saying I'm sorry is enough. So they're feeling very sorry for this. They're feeling the consequences of their action. They know that they have done the wrong things. Okay, thank you for being patient with me, and I'm learning how to love myself. So they are coming into self love basically here. Okay, and they saying thank you here again. This is the same repeated message which I'm receiving here, that thank you for being you. You light up my world. Thank you for being so patient with me here, divine feminines. Okay, then there is you have no idea how much I love you. Okay, then there is we are always together no matter what, where we are. So this is beautiful. And there is I am stepping up to the places and making big life changes. So they're working on themselves, divine feminines, on their inner, maybe they are doing meditation, they're doing the inner child healing, they are doing the self love. Okay, maybe they're working on their finances, on their career. So they're making the changes here. Then they're saying you inspire me to live authentically. So this is beautiful message here. And I feel so much joy with you. It's like I am a kid again. So these are the messages from your divine masculines. Let me see more messages from your divine masculines here. What does divine masculines wants to say? What does divine masculines wants to say here? Please give me the messages from the divine masculines. I miss you, my soul. They are missing you, divine feminines. Even I am feeling that energy of missing energy. I'm feeling like crying. I do not know why. Okay. What does divine masculines wants to say? Please give me the messages. Too many messages. No. Please give me the messages from the divine masculine. What does divine masculine wants to say? Please give me any other message from divine masculines. See, I miss you, my soul. This message I got by shuffling also. I was receiving this message and I was feeling like I have to cry. I do not know why. Because I'm picking up the energy of divine masculines, okay? So yeah, this is what it is. So they're missing you a lot, divine feminines. I miss you, my soul. That's what they want to tell you. I want you to know how much I care you, okay? I am dreaming of you all day. I am at the crossroads in my life right now and I am making a decision towards our union. So they are at the crossroads and they're making the decision of union towards you. Our union is happening very soon, okay? So let me know in the comment section for those twin flames, for those divine feminines who are receiving the union from the divine masculines, okay? Because many of the divine masculines are making a decision towards union. They are at the crossroads and they have to make a decision and they are making the decision of union, and our union is happening very soon. They want to say, trust me, I am not going anywhere. Again they want to say same thing, I'm making a decision towards our union. See, same message. This is the same message. I am making the decision. Same message from the same deck 2 times. Okay, divine feminines, I am making a decision towards our union. I am making a decision towards our union. Same message again. Our union is happening very soon. So this is very confirmed message here, that they are making a decision for the union here. I am further off my journey than you think. That's what they want to tell you. I am not the same person that you remember. Okay, I am further on my journey than you think. I am not the same person that you remember, because they are working on themselves, on becoming the best version, becoming the divine masculines. Okay, I can't do this right now, as right now I am not balanced. That's why they're saying that I need more time to figure things out. They are still working on. So there are 2 groups here. One, divine masculines are making the decision towards the union and they are balanced, and the other group, they are still working on themselves. They're still finding the balance here. Okay, then there is a lot of communication is coming towards you, divine feminines. So your divine masculine is going to communicate with you. Okay, I am finding balance through the experiences that I am experiencing. Okay, so that's what they want to tell you. I am already feeling the consequences of my actions, and they are finding the finding the balance through the experiences they are experiences from the karmic experiences. Okay, 1414 is the recording reading time. So they are getting the experience, they're getting the balance from the karmic relationships. Okay, karmic relationships can be anything. So they're getting the experience from that and they're learning the balance. Okay, I am on the mission of becoming divine masculine. That's what I told you. They are becoming the divine masculines. Okay, they're working on themselves and they are on a mission of becoming divine masculines. I am afraid of commitment, but I am working on it. See, so they're becoming the divine masculines, from the distorted masculines to the divine masculines. So they are working on it. Then there is third eye chakra activated or blocked. So this apply on anyone, but this what I can feel is your divine masculines, their third eye is getting activated here. Okay, the third eye chakra is getting activated here. Then they want to tell you this can be an earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Your divine masculine can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or they can have earth element on their chart. Okay, I am releasing the programming and condition of society, dissolving taboos. So they are releasing the programming and condition of the society which we get feeded from the childhood. Okay, so they are dissolving the taboos, they are removing the taboos which is being feeded by the society or by the family from our childhood days. 1551 is the recording reading time. 1551, I had to walk away from you so that I can heal myself. So they walk away from you, divine feminine, so that they can heal themselves. Okay, not because they don't love you, they love you a lot, but they know that they have to become the divine masculines, they have to work on themselves. So that's why they walk away. I love your eyes, I get lost into them, I think I know your eyes before many past lives. So they love your eyes and they think that they know your eyes, and they'll get lost in your eyes, and they think that they know you, they know these eyes from many past lives. Okay, let me see any other message. Any other message? I can't stop thinking about you. So they are missing you a lot, divine feminines, that is sure. They want to say, I am proud of you as you did not give up on us. That's why they're saying it again and again. I am proud of you, divine feminines, because you did not give up. Okay? You inspire to live them authentically. 1717, 1717 is the recording reading time. Then they want to tell you that why do I feel lost, and they want you to trust the journey, trust the journey of twin flames. Okay, divine feminines, thought chakra activated or blocked. So that means maybe your thought chakra, your divine masculine's thought chakra is getting activated now. Okay, and we have a mission together, the soul purpose. So now they know that you both are having a soul purpose together. Okay, so this is beautiful here, divine feminines, beautiful messages, I can say that. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the doubts. What doubts are there for divine masculines? What doubts are stopping them basically? What are the doubts of divine masculines for this reading? Please give me the doubts. What are the doubts? Okay. Any other? No. Okay, so the first doubt of your divine masculine is, do you really love me, or are you just trying to fill a void? So they are not having a confirmation whether you love them or you just trying to fill a void here. That's the darkest doubts of divine masculines. Then they want to tell that would my darkness push you away? Okay, that's the doubts I'm telling you here, divine masculine of the divine masculine. Okay, divine feminine, so apply according to your situation. Would my darkness push you away? Because they are having lot of addictions you do not know about. I have lot of addictions you do not know about. That's why they are feeling these doubts. Okay, then they want to say you that I am still hurt from my past rejections. Okay, and I have still abandonment wounds from my childhood. That's why they are feeling they still need healing here. Okay, will you hurt me like others did? That's what they want to ask you here. Can I still focus on my work even if I fall madly in love with you? Okay. Then I shut myself off emotionally often. Could you handle that? Okay. There is, I don't know if I'm capable of being a family man or a father, because they are telling you that I'm afraid that I have a sex addiction and need multiple women to pleasure me. So they are finding it hard to think that whether they are capable of being a family man or a father here. Okay. What if you can never forgive me for my past mistakes? So that's what the doubt is. Okay. Am I strong enough to be the man you need me before? Am I strong enough to be the man you need me to be? Okay. Sometimes I feel just emotionally disconnected from everyone and everything. So these are the doubts of your divine masculines. Okay, divine feminines, I hope it will help you out in some manner, but these are the doubts. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from the universe for you. What are the messages for the divine feminines from the universe? Universe, what are the messages you want me to deliver for the divine feminines? What are the messages for the divine feminines? What are the messages for the divine feminines? I'm not going to take it. Should I? Okay. I will. First message for you is see 1441. Again, this angel number is here. Okay, you are not alone. We are working with you, divine feminines. That's what the universe wants to say, that you are not alone. We are working with you, and you have to engage in your spiritual cleansing, okay, of your body, mind, and soul. That's what they want to tell you. Again, the mirror number is here 1001. Okay, stay in your power and expand your horizons, divine feminine. These messages are for you, divine feminines. Okay, do these things because these are the messages from the universe. Then there is release all fears and doubts to the divine. Okay, and remember the power of strength you have as a divine being, and work on obtaining your financial stability. So you have to work on your financial stability here. So these are the messages from the universe. Let me see more messages. What should divine feminine you should do? What you should do? Okay, let me see more. That was the messages from the universe. Okay, and let me see what are the messages here I'm receiving for you. What should divine feminine, what does divine feminine has to do? What should they do? Get out of the house. Okay. If you are continuously living in a house, you need to get out of the house. 2332 is the recording reading time. Then there is watch a tarot reading. Know that things are temporary. This chapter is not over. Okay, your twin flame journey is not over. This is just a part here. Okay, these things are just temporary. Okay, detach from the outcome. You need to detach from the outcome here, then only things will manifest here. Too many. Any other message? Pay attention to the signs, pay attention to the numbers on the clock. So angels are communicating with you, divine feminines. They are giving you the signs. So pay attention to the clock, the numbers, whatever numbers you are seeing, put a screenshot or take a screenshot or put these numbers into your diary, write it down and see what are the messages you are receiving through angel numbers or through the universe. Then there is consult your soul tribe. Do something nice for someone here. Consult your soul tribe. Okay. Any other message? What would your best friend say? So talk to your best friend and talk to them and ask what they want to say. here. That's the message I'm receiving here. So these are the messages for divine feminines. Now let me see what are the blockages in your twin flame reading. These are the blockages, and apply according to your situation. If it is not applying it, then you can leave it out, okay? Because these are the blockages and it is not going to apply to all of you, okay, twin flame, whether you are divine masculine or the divine feminine, whoever is watching this video, okay? So take the blockages according to your situation. What are the blockages you want me to deliver? What are the blockages? What are the blockages? Some of you are still in the runner chaser form. Stop being chasing your divine masculines, divine feminines. Surrender yourself to the divine. Don't be in this chasing energy. Okay, some of you are in the chaser form. Okay, you're still chasing your divine masculines. Get out from this energy of chaser here. Some of you are dealing with the manipulator blockage. Okay, either you are manipulating or your divine masculine is manipulating, but manipulator is a blockage here. Some of you are the ungrateful and unpredictable. Okay, there is needy. Okay, needy is a blockage here. Some of you divine feminines, you are the drama queen here. That can be a blockage here. Some of you are the overcritical here, and some of you are blinded by the gossips. Okay, these can be the blockages in your twin flame journey. Then there is, some of you can be materialistic here, because here I'm having businessman and businesswoman, both are here. So some of you are very materialistic. Either divine feminine, you are very materialistic, or the divine masculine is very materialistic. One of you are the businessman or the businesswoman who is very materialistic. Okay, then there is someone here who is still hurting inside. Okay, then there is greedy, and there is heal family roots. That is karma. That means that you have to do your family ancestral healing patterns or issues. So this is very big blockage in many twin flames. I can say that twin flame journey, you have to heal your family issues, family karma, that is ancestral pattern healing. Okay, do complete this blockage, resolve this blockage. I can say that, heal your family issues, heal your family roots, your karmas, family karmas. Okay, then there is anger issues. So some of you are having anger issues here, divine feminines, either you are having or your divine masculine is having. So these are the blockages which you are having. Now let me see what are the messages from the twin flame tarot deck. Thank you for giving the messages. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? New beginnings. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for this reading? Some of you are dealing with the with the karmic partner here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having karmic partner. Okay, so they are pushing you to grow for your twin flames, and that's right. Karmic partners are not bad at all. They are your soul teachers. They make you ready for your twin flame. Okay, maybe that's the, and there is devil here too, so avoid temptation or any addiction if you are going through. Okay, and there is regret, time to release all regrets. If you are still feeling any regrets, this is the time for releasing all the regrets here. Okay, then there is despair. Are you in the state of losing all hope? If you are in this state of losing all hope, you need to work on yourself, divine feminines, because you cannot lose hope. You are the divine feminines. Okay, keep your hope, keep your courage, keep your light here. Complete your inner child healing. Okay, there is higher love, and these messages come together here like this. So I'm going to give you these messages separately. First I have to give this. This is past life power issues. Fear and conflict stem from the past life. So whatever has you are facing right now in this lifetime, these situation is happening because of your past life karma, past life situations, and because of that you are facing these things, facing the fear and conflicts in this lifetime. Okay, that's why there is a karmic partner here, because that's why the message was that you have to heal your family issues. Your ancestral healing is required. Complete your healing here, divine feminines. Complete your inner child wounds. Okay, unsolved wounds and issues are still there, which is there. That's why this you are feeling, you are in this low frequencies, otherwise you cannot be in this low frequencies. And the other group, they are getting the downloads, galactic downloads, ascension light code upgrades. So you're receiving the light code upgrades here, you're receiving the downloads from the universe. Okay, because you have opened up to the higher love, you have opened up to seeing your divine perfection, because you are working on yourself, divine feminines. I'm telling you, there's two categories here. Okay, there is a transformation, and transformation is always beautiful. You're going through a process of transformation, divine feminines, and I'm proud of you, because it took a lot of time, courage, to work on themselves, to make a list about what are the wounds, what are the areas on which we have to work on selves. So it take lot of courage, I know that. So I'm proud of you, those divine feminines who are receiving the galactic downloads, who are in the process of transformation. Proud of you. Then there is higher love, open to seeing your divine perfection, because you're feeling your divine perfection here. Then there is memories, listen to your subsystem subtitle messages. So there are memories which the divine is guiding you through, memories maybe from your past life memories, maybe from this lifetime. So listen to that memories, maybe there is a message through these memories here. Then these are the message, that's why I told you I am going to tell you this like this. Some of you, those divine feminines who are receiving the upgrades here, the downloads, the galactic downloads here. Okay, you are going to receive the marriage here, twin flame soul merge, divine masculines, because those divine feminines, your divine masculine has become the divine masculine now. Okay, they are not distorted masculines now they are the divine masculines, a place of love and harmony, and they are coming towards you for the marriage, twin flame soul merge. This is beautiful, because you are in the self love. Okay, you are loving yourself, divine feminines. Trust in the divine, trust, surrender to the divine, because he has the better plan, he has the best plan. So these are the messages which I'm receiving here, and these are beautiful messages for those set of divine feminines who are still dealing with the karmic partners, who are still feeling regret, losing hope. They are unable to avoid any temptation or any addictions, any fear or conflicts. You have to work on your inner child. Okay, work on your inner child, work on your self love. Okay, so these are the messages which I received from the tarot, twin flame tarot. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the emotions. Wow, happy. What are the emotions the divine masculines are feeling right now? Let me see. What are the emotions they are feeling? Please give me the emotions. of the divine masculines. They're feeling encouraged. They're feeling happy. Okay. What are the emotions divine masculine they are feeling right now? Please give me the emotions of the divine masculines for this reading. What are the emotions they are feeling? What are the emotions? I told you there are two set of divine masculines here, okay? One set of divine masculines, they are feeling depressed, confused, disgusted, irritated, frustrated, all low frequencies, unsure. So they are not in high frequencies, because divine feminines, you are not working on yourself. You are still in the chasing energy. And if you are chasing your divine masculine, you can never get your twin flame union, okay? And the other set of divine feminines, your divine masculine is feeling happy, trust, surprised, grateful, hopeful. See the difference here, because you are working on your self love, you are working on yourself. You have keep your trust to the divine. You have surrender yourself to the divine here. So you're going to get the surprise with here. And other set of them, they are feeling stressed, they're feeling confused, depressed, unsure, sad, and okay, that's it. Okay, so please try to work on yourself, divine feminines. Don't be in this energy of chasing your divine masculine. Your divine masculine is not going anywhere. They are here only. Okay, so let me see what are the tarot messages. What is the next action your divine masculine is going to take? What is the next step divine masculines are going to take here? They are going to take a leap of faith. The Fool energy here. Okay, they're going to take a leap of faith. Try to work on them, on yourself, divine feminines. Again, I'm telling you, try to work on yourself, not on your divine masculines. They will come, they will come towards you. They are not going anywhere. Okay, they love you. They are your eternal spiritual partner. They're not going anywhere. You just need to work on yourself. Don't be in this energy of Five of Cups. See, Five of Raffle is here. You are more focusing on those things which has already happened in the past. Okay, you are in the energy of sad, remorse, guilt. Stop chasing energy. I do not know why this energy is creating problem for me. Okay, I'm not feeling good for this energy. Okay, let's see, just move in a forward direction. That's it. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards divine feminines? Please give me the next step. What is the next step, next action? Keep your strength. Keep your strength. They're keeping their strength. They're gaining the strength here. King of Swords, Six of Swords. Wow. Wow. Chariot, peace. They are moving towards you, divine feminines. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. That's what it is written here. See again, bottom of the deck, leap of faith. Fool energy. They're going to take a leap of faith. Wow. And see, the Chariot and the Star is here. They're going to move in a forward direction towards you, because you are a dream come true. Believe in yourself. The end of a difficult situation, new hopes, new desires are coming towards you, divine feminines. They are coming towards you. Okay, believe in yourself, listen to your heart, do what you gives joy. Okay, and there is peace which is coming. See, release the past. There is more enriching future coming. Let go and let God in. That's what I was telling you. Do not be in the energy of Five of Cups. There is peace. Made peace to your past. Release the past. Okay, there is Ace Ace of Wands. This is new passionate beginning which is coming here. They keeping the strength, they gaining the strength to approach you. They know that they have to come towards you, and they making a sign of, they're making the plans, new plans to relocate or travel. Can you see there is a relocation and travel? So maybe some of you, your divine masculine is traveling towards you. Can you see in this both picture? This is King of Michael, okay? This is King of Swords. King of Swords is coming here in the boat with a dog here. So they're coming towards you by making the strength here. They're gaining the strength and they're coming towards you, because this is the new passionate beginning which is starting between you and your divine masculines, okay? Between you and your twin flame. So this is beautiful, divine feminines. They're going to take a leap of faith. There is a new hopes, new desires coming towards you, okay? So beautiful. Next step they are going to take, very beautiful. So yeah, that was your reading. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Okay, let me add one more this thing. Lovers Oracle, please give me the message for this reading. What is the message? Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want to be. This is what I was telling you. The path is clear. There is no one who can stop you, divine feminines, except you. You have to cross that barriers, I can say that, okay? Choose your soul freedom. Then there is criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship with magically transforms. So stop criticizing. If you are still criticizing your divine masculines, so stop criticizing that. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from True Love reading cards. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? Okay, creativity. Start working on your creativity, divine feminines. If you are not working on your creativity, you have to work on your creativity, because once you start focusing on your creativity, on your self-love, you will heal, okay? And we need you, divine feminines, because the more you will become creative, the more you will raise your vibrations, your frequencies, and the more you will become the divine feminines. So start focusing your energy on your creativity. Do something creative. If you love to paint, draw, sing, dance, if you love to do the cooking, or if you love to do the gardening or anything, sports, anything, but complete your creativity here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what are the messages from the Angels Oracle cards. Please give me the message for this reading. What is the message you want me to deliver? Again, past life card is coming. Relationship in this lifetime are karmic and carried over from your past lives, and just wants you to go through them gracefully, okay? Whatever situation you are facing right now, these situations are coming because of your past life. 1 minute. This is the same message which I received here. Past life issues. That's why you are dealing with the karmic partners, because these situations, these relationships are karmics and have been carried out from your past lives, okay? So you just need to end the contract, and angels wants you to go through them gracefully, okay? Just learn the lesson. What is the lesson they want to try, they are trying to teach you basically, and you will end those karmic cycles here. There is this recurring situation. Angels wants you to observe the recurring situation and relationship obstacles in life, identify them, learn from them, and grow. So this is the same message here. Try to learn the lesson which I told you right now. Try to learn the lesson and let them go, okay? There is alternative medicine. Angel wants you to treat your ailment with alternative medicine therapy like Bach flower, acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, etc. 4444 4444, 4 times 4 is the recording reading time. Okay, then there is healing energies of unicorn. Pray to angels and ask them to infuse you and your loved ones with mystical and healing energies of unicorn. So that's a message. And bottom of the deck, I am having high soul. You are very high and evolved soul, and your life purpose is to help young and infant souls to learn and grow. So learn yourself, learn about yourself, divine feminines. You are very highly evolved souls, and you are here to teach and learn and to help the young and infant souls, the fresh souls. That's why we have got this twin flame journey, because we are the highly evolved souls, we are the old souls. Okay, and that's our life purpose. Okay, there is two more messages, but I do not know whether I have to give them or not. There is third eye. Angels wants you to start meditative practice to activate your third eye, clear visions, institution, angelic communication. You have to work on your third eye, divine feminines. If it is not working correctly, if you're not following your intuition, if you're not receiving any guidance, then this is the message for you. You have to start meditating on your third eye. Okay, then you will receive the messages, the downloads, the intuition from the universe, from the angels here. And there is light worker. Angels have selected you to be their light worker by spreading joy, hope and happiness in the life of your soul group. Be a beacon of light and dispel the darkness from their lives. So be a light here, divine feminines. You are here on this planet earth to spread light, to be the light, to remove the darkness, to replace the darkness here, okay, from your soul's group. So these are the messages here. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Let me see more message from the divine. See, it just come out. Inner child healing. Inner child healing is compulsory for you, divine feminines. For those specific divine feminines who are still in chasing energy, you have to complete your inner child healing. Forgiveness and understanding. You have to forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past, and even forgive yourself for hurting yourself, and understand that everything has happened and is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, so forgive and understand. Complete your inner child healing. Take charge and action of your life. Take the control of your life in your own hands. Be the emperor of your own life. Okay, then there is science and remedies. So a lot of science and number synchronicities and remedies are being given to you by the universe and angels. Just start following those things. Okay, so these are the messages from the angel guide. Thank you, angels, for giving the message. Okay, let's see what are the messages from angel answers. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? Again, the same message is here. You need to take action. Okay, take charge and action. Take action, divine feminines. Take action in a forward direction. Okay, do not be stuck in the same situation again and again. Take action and charge. You need to ask your angels here. You do not need to worry at all. No need to worry. The situation will improve. Okay, no need to worry. The situation will improve here, and there is something better which is coming for you. Okay, so these are the messages, but it's up to you. See, it's up to you. If you want to move in a forward direction, then you have to. It's up to you. And if you still want to repeat those cycles, then it is also up to you. Okay, so these are the messages from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. I hope I have given all the messages. Okay, so this was the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. I hope it will help you out in some manner. If you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happy beautiful energies to all of you, whoever is watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.